Hi everyone, my name's Sandy and I'm going to go over scientific literacy. What is scientific literacy? It's the capacity to use scientific knowledge and identify questions to draw evidence-based conclusions in order to understand and help make decisions about the natural world and the challenges made to it through human activity. So rather than listening and reading news passively, you would be more likely to investigate and ask yourself questions about the topic. There are various ways to teach students to become scientifically literate. Different ways would be making science interdisciplinary by ensuring science topics are embedded in other subjects, using things such as magazines and books and videos they can watch, and creating scientific models using different forms of art, and so much more. It would change the way they look at the world. They'd be able to examine their findings and ask questions, and then read and discuss scientific articles and concepts, and they'd be able to describe and explain concepts as well as concluding their findings, whether or not they're true or false. And these are different ways we can ensure we have scientific literate students. We can apply Bloom's taxonomy. Here you can see different Web 2.0 tools that can be used to remember, understand, apply, and analyze scientific information. We can use those tools under evaluating to evaluate the student's knowledge of the scientific concepts. And they can be examined or evaluated using those creating tools such as Glogster, which we've already used, and Wikispaces, VoiceThread, and Prezi as I'm using today. And here are some questions they can ask themselves to see if they can evaluate. Can they justify certain concepts and recommend things, decide, choose, explain, and so much more. This would be to make sure they understand the topics. And finally, my thought, I believe that we should all become scientifically literate so we can help our students become so themselves. Some ways would be to incorporate problem-based learning strategies and using WebQuest to keep our students engaged. Thank you. Have a good week.